Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. Today in this video, we will learn how to create Informatica data quality services through the command line. The agenda of this video would cover the basic IDQ services, what is the interdependency between these services. This will be followed by a short demonstration of creating the services from the command line. The first service that we have is the model repository service, or in short we call it as the MRS. The model repository is responsible for storing the metadata of all the objects, mappings and workflows that we create. The model repository service maintains this model repository. We also call this MRS as the design time MRS. The next service that we have is called the data integration service, or the DIS. While we use the MRS to create objects, we use the DIS to run these objects. This is called the runtime MRS. Next up, we have the content management service. When making use of mappings and workflows, we also need to store the reference data. The reference data connection is managed by this content management service. Next up, we have the analyst service. The analyst service maintains the analyst tool. While the developer tool is a thick based client, the analyst tool is a thin web based client. And the last service that we have is a search service. This helps in performing the search operations through the model repository service and other services. All these services are interdependent on one another. The first service that we create is the model repository service. All other services are directly or indirectly dependent on the model repository service. Services such as content management service, data integration service, and search service are directly dependent on the MRS, while the analyst service makes use of both the DIS and the MRS to function. Let's move on to the demo. All the commands that we use to create these services are the infacmd commands. We will be running them from the infa home ISP bin. The syntax of the command can be referenced from the Informatica command reference guide, or we can also view the syntax from the command line. I have the command ready over here. We're mentioning the domain name, the node name, username, password, service name, database username, database password, the connection string, and what is the database type. We have successfully created our MRS. After creating the service, we have to assign a license to it. For this, I'm making use of the command ISP assign license. I've mentioned the domain name, username, password, and the license, followed by the service name. We have successfully assigned the license. Now we will enable the service using the ISP enable service command. The service has been enabled successfully. Before we associate the model repository service with the data integration service while creating it, the MRS needs to have content created in it. So we'll proceed with using the MRS create contents command. For this, you have to give the domain name, username, password, and the MRS name. The MRS contents have been created successfully. To have a short recap, we use the MRS create service command to create the service, ISP assign license to assign the license to the MRS, ISP enable service to enable the service. This is a point to note that unless the service is enabled, you cannot create contents. So after we enable the service, we use the command MRS create contents to create the contents. Now we will go ahead and create the DIS service. I'm making use of the command infacmd DIS create service. I've given the domain name, the service name, username, password, node name, the repository service with which this DIS should be associated with, the repository service user name and service password name, and what is the HTTP port where this DIS should run. The DIS has been created successfully. Currently, I'm not assigning the license or enabling it immediately. We'll do it after creating the other three services. We'll go ahead and create the content management service with making use of the CMS create service command. The arguments for this command are domain name, service name, domain password user, domain password, node name, the repository service username, repository service password, and what is the reference connection that is to be used. The content management service has been successfully created. We'll create the analyst service. The command is as create service. Arguments are domain name, node name, service name, username, password, repository name, DIS name, username and password of the model repository service, and what is the HTTP port on which this analyst service should run. The analyst service also has been created. The last service that we have to create is the search service. The command is search create service. Arguments are domain name, node name, username, password, the search service name, what is the port on which the search service should run, the index location, the location where should be the search service index be created, the extraction interval, by default this is 60 seconds, we can keep the same. Since the search service also makes use of the MRS, we mention the MRS name, the MRS username and the MRS password. The search service also has been created successfully. Now we need to assign license to all these four services. I'm assigning licenses using the ISP assign license command, and I'm mentioning all the services as the arguments. The license has been assigned to all the four services. Now we need to enable these services. We'll start with the DIS. The DIS is enabled. Now we'll enable the content management service. The content management service is also up. We'll enable the analyst service. The analyst service is also up and running. We'll enable the last service, the search service. We have successfully enabled all the services. We'll move to the admin console and check them. We will log in to the admin console and verify that all the services are up and running. The MRS service is up and running. So is the DIS service, content management service, analyst service, and the search service. So that is how we create all the Informatica data quality services from the command line. You can refer to the following link to create the MRS and DIS while installing the Informatica domain. The following knowledge base articles provide step-by-step instructions to create these services through the command line. Do contact us for any further information at supportvideos@informatica.com or on our Twitter handle. Thank you.